Hey guys, so I wanted to share my model tier list when it comes to AI models that I use for my AI automation workflows. The number one model I use is GPT 4.1. This model is a beast because of its 1 million token context and the fact that it's very good at following instructions. I literally just spam GPT 4.1 almost everywhere because it can just take a lot of information without getting errors, and it's just able to parse all of that and really break it down and actually do what I ask it to do with of course detailed prompting. So GPT 4.1 is the one I would recommend you always look to first when building out your workflows. I've actually found it very hard to use GPT-5. I'm just putting this as a side claimer. I've found that it times out and it takes long to run. So I don't know if anybody else is having these issues with GPT-5. Let me know in the comments. But right now I have been sticking mostly to GPT 4.1. Now, second model that I always tend to use is Claude Sonnet 4. Sonnet 4 is very versatile. It's useful for many things. So I just like having Sonnet 4 there whenever I'm relying on a Claude model. And 3 is I would use Google 2.5 Pro. Google's 2.5 Pro is also a very good model as well. I think it has a generous token context as well, and it's very good at just general tasks as well. So these are the top 3 I would always just think about using. So the thing about models is they all differ, right? So it's good for you to go and do your research, do evals. Evals is where you test the models to see which ones actually work for your use case and what they do over time. So this is not a blanket statement. These are the ones I'm just saying that if you're building any sort of workflow with AI, you can start with these ones to test. And then from there, you can try out some other ones to see if there are any other ones that are more specific to your use case. But for generalized models and workflows, I would say 4.1, Claude Sonnet 4, and Google's Gemini 2.5 Pro are very good.